I will show you that if I remove my seat belt while the chronometer is working, then something strange happens. So now I will start the chronometer. Pressing OK, choosing chronometer, lap. OK, let's start it. Now I will remove my seat belt. The message appears. Then, if I press OK again, nothing happened. OK, I press it, long press of OK button. This is what happened. The chronometer is stopped and the parameters are incorrectly displayed. If I exit, then I select it again, it works again. So the strange behavior seems to be correlated to the fact that when I remove my seat belt and the message appears, something strange happened.